Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
2 weeks ago, we brought you a report on the very deplorable condition of the Warri Benin highway. A journey of 60 minutes can now last up to 8 hours. On top of that, criminals have cashed in to attack citizens, and accidents have become a daily occurrence on the road. Just 2 weeks ago, Dominic, an Okada rider, told us how he prays daily against the tumbling of petrol tankers on the road and eventual explosion.
So tanker will not play, make our house not come burn for 1 day because of where they fall for here.
Well, Dominic's prayers were answered for about 2 weeks, as last week a petrol tanker fell and spilled its contents on the road and later exploded as a result of a spark. Over 20 persons who had gone to scoop fuel were burnt to death. As we sympathize with their families, we ask the government of President Bola Tinubu to fix the federal highways in the Niger Delta, where Nigeria's wealth comes from. That can't be too much to ask for.
Inside the Niger Delta,